Today we're making a bright and cozy carrot ginger soup. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and the kind of warmth that feels good on cold days. Here's what I'm using: carrots, onion, fresh grated ginger, a little garlic, turmeric, water, and a splash of coconut milk to finish. Warm a little oil in your pot and add your onion and garlic. Cook until soft and fragrant. Add your carrots and fresh ginger and let them cook for a minute or two to bring out their flavor. Sprinkle in your turmeric, then pour in enough water to cover the carrots. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and cook until the carrots are tender. Blend the soup until smooth and silky. Stir in a splash of coconut milk for a little creaminess. Bright, smooth, and full of fresh flavor, this carrot ginger soup makes simple roots taste special. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.